Hello! In this video, I'll show you how to add shipping charges in Zoho Books. First, you have to log into your Zoho Books account. And once you've logged in, you have to go to Sales tab on the left menu. And when you're creating either invoice or sales orders, first let's click on either sales orders or invoices. Click on it and create sales order. And once you're there, you can scroll down the item list section. And below the items, you'll find an option to add additional charges. You can click on add shipping charges or look for a similar button depending on your setup. And now you can enter the shipping cost and any details you want to include, and then save the invoice or the order. And this way, your shipping fees will be added and reflected into the total amount for your customer. And that's it. Please like and subscribe for more helpful videos like this.